Hey guys, so this is video number 2. This is going to show you how you create a double exposure assignment. So double exposure means two, double means two, and exposure is just pictures or images. So we're going to use two images. You should have already downloaded those images prior to this. So if you need to, go ahead and pause this video and find a famous person and a famous or a symbol that represents your famous person. I have already downloaded Martin Luther King is my person. So I'm going to open that portrait of him. And that's my first layer. I'm going to go ahead and unlock that layer. And then I need to go up to layer, add another image as a separate layer. And I'm going to pick my symbol that I've already downloaded. So I picked hands being freed of chains. So now you have both layers. What I want you to do then is you are going to mess with the transparency by clicking on these three dots. You can do that both on your symbol and on your portrait. Once you feel like you have a good amount of transparency on your symbol or your portrait, you can also mess with something here called blend mode. This is what we use, especially when we're doing like double exposures or even triple or quadruple, however many images. You can always use this to blend them to give them a different effect. They all have a different vibe. So this is multiply, overlay. You can see the different effects. So you can go through all of these and kind of see which one maybe you think you like the best. I'm going to go with that one for now. After you have adjusted the transparency and the blend modes on both of your layers, you can always play with the transformation to make the sizes different. I kind of like mine large. I'm going to move it to the left. You can totally put these inside of the face, to the left, the right, wherever you want, because this is really just up to you and how you want it to look. You can increase the size of your portrait, maybe move your guy to the side if you want. So you can just play with that. I'm trying to do this fast because obviously it's just an example for you guys. But once you're happy with the free transformation, remember you can always do that by using your arrange button and clicking on that layer, or you can go to edit and free transform, and that's how you free transform any of the layers. All right, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to add text. You are going to click on this. Sorry, my dog is actually attacking a plate on the counter right now. But you're going to click on this text button and we're going to add text. And this is where you would include your famous quote that inspires you during this time. You can change the color to whatever color you would like. And then you can put that famous quote anywhere you want. You can change the style setting. You can outline it. You can do a drop shadow. Remember that you can scroll down here and you can increase the opacity of your drop shadow. And so you can play around with that. You can do different fonts. You can do bolds, italics, anything you want. And once you're really happy with what you've got here, you're going to go to File, Save. We're going to save it as a JPEG. And then you would insert it into your rubric. Make sure you've included both your original photos and your final project here. Complete your rubric. And I really look forward. I think what I really want to see the most is number 3. How does that person inspire you and give you a better outlook on what we're going through as a nation or a world right now? I hope that this inspires you guys to just have a good attitude and a good outlook and help us to get through what we're going through. I miss you guys, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day back at school. Talk to you later. Bye.